everyone, welcome to Antics, Tristan, Math. Today, I'm going to teach you lesson 8-5, multiply two fractions. So let's try number 15. What is 2/3 times 7/8? Well, 7 times 2 equals 14, and 8 times 3 equals 24. But wait, it's just right to answer. How is this 7/12? It's simplifying. So simplifying is like what number can multiply to this? So 2 times 7 equals 14, so it's 7. And 2 times 12 equals 24, so I wrote 12 here. Next, let's do number 15. No, wait. Now next, let's do number 19. Number 19 is 2/5 times 5/12.
2/5 of. What does of mean, teacher? What does of here?
Equals multiplication. So I don't want to write on that.
Thank you.
So first, what's 5 times 2, everyone? I can't hear you. That's correct. 10. And what's 12 times 5, everyone? Well, if you don't know, you write this. And 5 times 2 equals... I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Yes, 10. 5 times 1 equals 5. What about this? Help me. I need to be into 2. Okay, 1. So 5 times 1 equals 5. What's 5 plus 1? 6. So it's 60 and 60. But what? Can it be 10 over 60? Well, it's called simplifying.
Simplifying.
Well, simplifying is easy. It's just like this question. What times 10 equals 10? 1. And what times 10 equals 60?
6.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It's 6. 1 over 6. The answer is 1 over 6, people. Now, let's do number 13. Number 13 says 4 over 7 times 7. Equals times 7 over 9. Well, what is 4 times 7? I can't hear you. 28. Correct. Thank you, Mama. And what's 9 times 7? Well, there's an easy way. My dear grandma showed me a way. Well, she's so smart, so nice. So she told me a way. Take that one for 9, 18, 27, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. So, 7 times 9 equals 63. Please simplify now. So simplify. Let's see. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 4 equals 28. And 7 times 9 equals
53.
Dun 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
And now 70.
Did you circle the answer?
Oh yes, I circled it so well. Number 17. 1 over 3 times 3 over 4. Easy. It's very easy. Well, first, what's 3 times 1?
3.
Why did you just say the answer? What's 4 times 3? 4, 12. 12. Wow. So 3 times 1 equals 3. 12, so it's 4. 1 over 4. And the last question. Number 21. What is 1/2 times 1/2? Is it just a whole?
No.
No, okay. 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 2 equals 4.
Yeah.
A quarter.
1/4.
1/4. 1/4 equals a quarter, right?
Yes.
Well, thank you for joining Antics, Tristan, Math. Thank you. Hiya!
Hiya!
Okay.